कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अदृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पतीकृतवाराशिं अशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अंजनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपतामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः मंगलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलं सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। Rama's plight, Krishna's Lakshmana's fury, Tara's pleading, Sugriva's submission. All these are all dramatic situations, dramatic events that are happening in Kishkinda and in this portion. When this way Sugriva had agreed to conduct or proceed on with the plan, I think we were in where are we in this? Completed up to?
We have completed 11.
11, correct. 11. Yeah. Sugriva had submitted that the help is necessary and his help will be a great service to Rama for what he has received from him. He is ready to give up everything for that sake. And asked Lakshmana's forgiveness if I made any mistake. This way, as Sugriva submitted, Lakshmana also became very pleased from 12 onwards. We read canto number 36. Iti tasya bruvānasya
इति तस्य ब्रुवाणस्य
सुग्रीवस्य महात्मनः
सुग्रीवस्य महात्मनः
अभवत् लक्ष्मणप्रीतः
अभवल्लक्ष्मणप्रीतः
प्रेम्णा चेदमुवाचः
प्रेम्णा चेदमुवाचः
सर्वथा हि मम भ्राता
सर्वथा हि मम भ्राता
सनातो वानरेश्वर
सनातो वानरेश्वर
त्वया नातेन सुग्रीव
त्वया नातेन सुग्रीव
प्रश्रितेन विशेषतः
प्रश्रितेन विशेषतः
यस्ते प्रभाव सुग्रीव
यस्ते प्रभावः सुग्रीव
यच्चते शौचमीदृशम्
यच्चते शौचमीदृशम्
अर्हस्त्वं कपिराज्यस्य
अर्हस्त्वं कपिराज्यस्य
यं भोक्तुम् अनुत्तमाम्
श्रियं भोक्तुमनुत्तमाम्
सहायेन तु सुग्रीव
सहायेन च सुग्रीव
त्वया रामप्रतापवान्
त्वया रामः प्रतापवान्
वदिष्यति रणे शत्रून्
वधिष्यति रणे शत्रून्
अचिरान्नात्र संशयः
अचिरान्नात्र संशयः
तस्य ब्रुवाणस्य सुग्रीवस्य महात्मनः. Thus this way one Sugriva who spoke to him about asking for forgiveness and many other things, Lakshmanaha Preetaha Premna Preetaha Bhabavat. He became very dear. Premna cha idam uvacha. With love, he addressed him thus. Mama Prata he Vanareshwara. Oh, the best among the monkeys, or the leader of the monkeys. Tvayanatena he Sugriva. With you as his associate, Sanataha Mama Prata Sarvata. My brother will never will become without any aid. He will be a great associate with you. And especially Visheshataha Prashritena Natena Toya. Humble as you are, this humility is what first quality in both path of jnanam and path of bhakti as well. Vinayata. Bhagavan Krishna puts that as amanitvam, first quality. In 13th chapter, amanitvam. There is no manitvam. I am so and so, and everybody should respect me as so and so. This assertion of our individuality may sound very confident, having high self-esteem, but that is really that does not really help a person to proceed further in life. He or she may succeed for a short period of time, but not too long, because you cannot live in this world without the people of the world in any endeavor. Bhagavan Krishna says in chapter 12, first thing about his bhakta also, one who does not hate anybody. That's the first quality of a bhakta. Not only that, not only he doesn't hate anybody, nobody hates him also. The moment we have assertion of ego, we have alienated a lot of people around us. So amanitvam, similarly, here he says prashrita. Prashrita, one who is humble, prashritena tvaya natena Mama brata vasanahat. Always with you as associate. And yaha te prabhavaha Sugriva. Your own prabhava, your own prowess. Te shaucham idrisham. This kind of a purity of heart that you have, because of which tvam arhaha, you deserve kabirajyasya shriyam proktum. You are eligible to enjoy the kingship of this country, uttamam kabirajyasya shriyam, the prosperity of the best kind. And Tvaya sahena Ramaha, Sugriva, with your very help, Pratapavan Ramaha, Rane Shatrun Vadishyati. He will surely kill, destroy all his enemies. Achirat, quickly, not too delayed, very quickly. Na atra samshayaha, there is no doubt about this here. One more thing you notice, that the very word Sugriva means one who has a good throat. What mean good throat? Good attitude, a friendly attitude. That is Sugriva. I have not seen many people keeping the name Sugriva. I have not heard many people. Not heard people who have Vali name also. What is your name? Vali. But you probably may not be shocked to know. I heard one person name, he came in front of me also. What's your name? Ravan. I was really shocked to hear that name. From Sri Lanka. I said, how did you get the name? What's wrong? Okay, I didn't want to further argue with him. You will be, suddenly some 9 more heads will come. So I just said, okay. Namaste. Vibhishan also I have not heard. Vibhishan, Ravan, Kumbhakarna. I have not heard his name. Sugriva I have not heard. Definitely not. Bali I have not heard. Anyway, we'll find, maybe some future generation will be very inspired by Rama and they will keep these names. Why not you keep the next grandson, you keep Sugriva. Dharmajnasya kritajnasya
Dharmajnasya
Sangrameshvani vartinaha
Sangrameshvanivartinaha
Upapannam cha yuktam cha
Upapannam cha yuktam cha
Sugriva tava bhashitam
Sugriva tava bhashitam
Doshajna sadi samartyam
Doshagna tati samartyam
Konyo bhashitam arhati
Konyo bhashitumarhati
Varjayitva mamas jeshtam
Varjayitva mamajyeshtam
Tvam chavanara sattama
Tvam cha vanarasattama
Sahashaschas viramena
Sadrishashchasi ramena
Sadrishashchasi ramena
Sadrishashchasi ramena
Vikramena balena cha
Vikramena balena cha
Sahayo devatir dattaha
Sahayo devatair dattaha
Shiraya haripungava
Shiraya haripungava
Kim tu shigramido vira
Kim tu shigramito vira
Nishkramatvam maya saha
Nishkramatvam mayat saha
Tantvayasva vayasyam cha
Santvayasva vayasyam cha
Arya harana dukhitam
Bharyaharana dukhitam
Yacha shokabhibhutasya
Yacha shokabhibhutasya
Shrutva ramasya bhashitam
Shrutva ramasya bhashitam
Maya tvam parushan yuktaha
maya tvam parushan yuktah
tat kshamasva sake mama.
tat kshamasva sakhe mama.
Dharmajnah Dharmajnasya Kritajnasya Sangame Anivartinah E Sugriva Tava Bhashitam Upapannam Cha Yuktam Cha. You, the one who is Dharmajnah, knower of Dharma, Kritajnah, one who is filled with gratitude, and one who never afraid of facing anyone in the battle. Sangrame Yuddhe Anivartinah, one does not return. Return means one who is not running away from. Run chodniya. You are not a one who runs away from. Anivartinah. And therefore, Sugriva Tava Bhashitam Yuktam Upapannam. What you have, Yuktam Upapannam. Your words are most appropriate. Upapannam, Yuktam is appropriate, and Upapannam means the most perfect, or Satyam. Satyam is best word. Whatever you said was so true. You see, when we are ready to speak the truth in any occasion, any situation, most important thing is we should accept our mistakes. That's the first truth. We hide our mistakes, we hide our negativities, we hide our weakness because we are afraid to speak about it. Not that you have to go and declare to the world all that weakness that you have. That is not what we are talking about. But on an occasion where, especially in front of people who are more wise, especially with the people who understand us better, to Bhagavan, to the wise people, to the gurus, to the people who have us as our welfare in their concern, we must open up. See, it is interesting that in the Christian tradition or in the Western tradition, to say, they have this concept of, in the churches, etc., they have the concept of a gathering of people who wanted to speak about their own issues to openly to people who are of this ready to listen and give advice, to talk about and then clarify, help. Indians never do that. They never speak about. And in fact, they won't tell. They will tell, don't tell anybody. You're so afraid to accept our mistakes, our problems. And we bury that, keep worrying about it, we just drown in that. You know, here, Bhagavan, here Lakshmana says, Doshajnah abhi. See, Doshajnah sati samartyam konyo bhashitam arhati. Ramama jeshtam tvam varjayitva cha vanarasattama. See, you are admitting your own faults. He has admitted his faults. Yes, I have lost my track of my own, task, and then I got caught up in the immediate gain of all pleasures, etc. I'm very sorry about that. My own brother also is like that. He will admit his own mistakes. So that is very important. Very, very important. And it is very important also that even as you are as strong as anybody else, see, the problem with us, why we are not ready to accept our own mistakes is, we think that by speaking about weakness, our own, we are seen by others as not strong. The greatest strength is accept the weakness and work on it, not covering it up. Because when you do not speak, see, it is said 3 people you should never stop telling the truth. First, to your gurus. Second, to the doctors. And 3, to the people who are really concerned about you or in the altar of the Lord. These 3 people you should not. And also a minister, it is earlier also, later on will be said, in Tulsi Ramayana it comes also. The king should definitely take the counsel of people, of the ministers, and the minister are supposed to tell him a real problem, what the problem is. They cannot, that's what happened with the ministers of Ravana. They had, even as Rama had entered into the Lanka and then ready to attack him, no, you are all fine, you can definitely take care of it. False promise. And Ravana went ahead with that kind of a false assurance. So the minister should never tell untruths to the Ravana, to the king. So in our life, basically, to the doctor, to the gurus, to those who are really concerned about us, we should open up and then speak about it. That's what here he has done. To Lakshmana, he had just opened up and said that I have a mistake here. I have done a major, fault here, major fault I have committed here. It's not by default, but please forgive me. He asked for forgiveness also. And Ramena Vikramena Balena cha Sadrishaha cha asti. You are by strength equal to Rama. Ramena Vikramena is by his strength. Balena by his prowess. Devadaihi dattaha sahaya. You as a friend was given as a gift by the gods only. Chiraya, for a long time, hey Haripungava, who best among the monkeys. Kintu, but also now, let us not delay further. Shigramito Veera Nishkrama. Please depart from here quickly. Tvam Maya Sahaya, along with me. Let us go to Rama. Vayasyam Bharyaharana Dukkitam Shantvayasva. Please go from here along with me and also appease Rama. Vayasya means my elder brother. And who is also constantly being in the sorrowful state, having lost his own wife. Bharya harana dukkitam vayasyam santayasvam. And Ramasya bhashitam shrutva, listening to Rama's words. Shokabhibhutasya Ramasya bhashitam shrutva. Maya tvam purushani yuktaha tat kshamasva sakhe mama. So, listening to my own brother's plight only, I had to speak to you very harshly. Please forgive me for that. Tvam parushani yuktaha, parushani uktaha. What I spoke to you with certain harshness, mama tat mama sake shamasva tat. Oh, my dear friend, please forgive that, because he also asked for forgiveness. See, that's the greatness of Lakshmana also. He did not say you made a mistake and what is this? I spoke right. You deserved it. No, I also made a mistake because it is not, I wanted to speak like that, but listening to or seeing my brother's situation there, I just couldn't help but have that kind of an anger for you not fulfilling your part of the deal. But I came to know from Tara that you have already sent people. Think about it. He could do all the, actually he did, it's Hanumanji who actually did that. But anyway, Tara had said it has been under the command of the Lord. Probably when Hanumanji listed out what needs to be done, in his drunken said, okay. That's it. Then he has done it. When Hanumanji is not in the scene at all so far. He's quietly sitting there somewhere. But you have done all that needs to be done to gather all the all the monkeys. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकि आदि काव्ये किष्किन्धाकाण्डे 36 सर्गः 36. After 36th canto, what we have is 37. Let us start 37. Eva muktastu sugrivo.
Eva muktastu sugrivo.
Lakshmanena mahatmana.
Lakshmanena mahatmana.
Hanumantam stitam parshve.
Hanumantam stitam parshve.
Vachanam chetam abravit.
Vachanam chedam abravit.
Mahendra himavad vidya.
Mahendra himavad vidya.
Kailasa shikareshu cha.
Kailasa shikareshu cha.
Mandare pandu shikare.
Mandare pandu shikhare.
Panchasaileshu ye stitaha.
Panchashaileshu ye stitaha.
Tarunaditya varneshu.
Tarunaditya varneshu.
Brajamaneshu nityasah.
Rajamaneshu nityashah.
Parvateshu samudraante.
Parvateshu samudrante.
Paschimasyam tu ye dishi.
Paschimatyam tu ye dishi.
Aditya bhavane chaiva.
Aditya bhavane chaiva.
Girau sandhyam brahm sanibe. Okay. Girau sandhya nisannibe.
Girau sandhya brasannibhe.
Padma chalavanam bhimaha.
Padmachalavanam bhimaha.
Samshrita haripungavaha.
Samshrita haripungavaha.
Anjanam buddha sankashaha.
Anjanam buddha sankashaha.
Kunjarendra mahojasah.
Kunjarendra mahojasaha.
Anjane parvade chaiva.
Anjane parvate chaiva.
Ye vasanti plavangamaha.
Ye vasanti plavangamaha.
Mahashela guhavasaha.
Mahashaila guhavasaha.
Vanara kanaka pramaha.
Vanara kanaka prabhaha.
Meru parshva gataschaiva.
Meru parshva gataschaiva.
Ye chadumragirim sritaha.
Ye cha dhumragirim shritaha.
Tarunaditya varnascha.
Tarunaditya varnascha.
Parvate ye maharune.
Parvate ye maharune.
Pibanto madhubairayam.
Pibanto madhumaireyam.
Bhima vega plavangamaha.
Bhima vega plavangamaha.
Vaneshu ja surabhyeshu.
Vaneshu cha suramyeshu.
Sugandeshu mahatsu cha.
Sugandhishu mahatsu cha.
Tapasashrama rambeshu.
Tapasashramaramyeshu.
Vananteshu samantatah.
Vananteshu samantataha.
Tantvamanaya kshipram.
Tam stvamanaya kshipram.
Prithvyam sarvavanaran.
Prithivyam sarvavanaran.
samadhanadibhi kalpaihi samadhanadibhi kalpaihi
सामदानादिभिः कल्पैः
vanareir vegavattharaihi.
वानरैर्वेगवत्तरैः.
Now comes Hanuman. Sugriva Lakshmanena Mahatmana eva muktaha. Thus being addressed by Lakshmana, Sugriva turned to Hanuman. Sthitam Hanuman Parshve. Parshve Sthitam, side, on the side he was standing there. Vachanam cha idam abravid, he spoke these words. Now let us get into action. There are monkeys who are sitting in 5 different huge mountains that are there. Mahendra, Himavat, Vindhya, Kailasa, Mandara. These are all the 5 important mountains. That is at different quarters, different places, different sites. And the last one, Kailasa Shikara is, Mandara is that which has the Pandu Shikara, white top, meaning filled with complete ice, snow. And Pandu Shikare, Pancha Shaileshu che ye stitaha. All those who are staying there, who are those? Tarunaditya Varneshu Brajamaneshu Nityashaha Parvadeshu Samudraante Paschimam chu Yedishi. The westernmost point. Westernmost point up to the sea. And they are of the color of Taruna in Aditya, the young sun, which is orangish in color. Brajamaneshu, shining, Nityasha always, Parvadeshu, in those, Samudraante Paschimam Dashe to Yedishi, up to the westernmost point, and Aditya Bhavane Cheva Girao. One is Aditya Bhavana, that is eastern quarter, where the Aditya begins. From the east also, Sandhya Abra Sannibe. So from the east, where the mountain, it is said that according to the perception of the ancients, sun rises from the eastern hills and settles down in the western hill. And therefore, Sandhya Abra, the clouds of the evening sun, Sandhya Abra Sannibe, equal to that, those Haripungavaha, the best of the monkeys, Samshritaha, those who are staying there, Bhimaha, in the Padmachala Vanam, in the forest called Padmachala. All those monkeys, and Anjanambuda Sankashaha. Anjana means that those who are Kajal, those way. Anjana Ambuda, the clouds which are of dark color, equal to that Sankashaha, Samaha, equal to that color of the dark cloud, like that of the collyrium. Kunjarendra Mahojasaha, having the strength of even the best of the elephants. Anjane Parvate, who are staying in the Anjana Parvata, Chaeva, Ye Plavangamaha Vasanti, those who are staying in those monkeys who are staying there as well. Mahashaila, and there is also another mountain called Mahashaila, Guhavasa, those who are living in the caves, Vanaraha, Kanakaprabha, those who are golden color in their body. Meru Parshva Gatascheva, those who are staying at the side valleys of Meru mountain, those on also. Ye Dhumragirim Sritaha, and those who are sitting in the another mountain called, major mountain called Dhumragiri, perhaps dark in color. And Tarunaditya Varnascha, again having the color of that of the young sun, orangish. Parvade Echa Maharune, in that Maharuna Parvata, those who are staying, Madhu Mairayam Pipantaha, they are drinking a particular intoxicant called Mairava, Bhima Vegaha, very fast, like extremely powerful, like a wind, and that kind of a speed, Plavangamaha, Vaneshu cha, Surabhyeshu, Sugandhishu, Mahatsuja, those who are staying in the forest, those who are staying near the falls, which is filled with so much of fragrance, Tapasa Ashrama Ramyeshu, those who are staying in the particular hermitage, which is known as Tapasa, those who are the hermitage where the men of great austerity who are staying there, Tapasana Tamasa, Tapasa Ashrama Samyesh, Vananteshu Samantataha, all places completely, on all the forests. What? Tan Swam Anaya Kshipram. You know, the task that is given to Hanuman, think about it. Kahan se leke aana hai? And how do you go? Send a Twitter. How he has to convey this message to all those monkeys, gathering up all of them. This is called, what do you call this? Recently some movie came, no? Monkey. What is that? Army of the Monkeys. Army of the Monkeys. There's a movie also made, Army of the Monkeys. And you know, it's interesting. This is Army of the Monkeys, really. Probably they inspired by the Ramayana. So they are extreme. Again, you cannot think about it, because once they come together, they are much, much powerful and strong than any other human being, because they don't intelligently think to do anything. Attack means attack only. There's no question asked. Why should I attack? Whom should I attack? Nothing. Attack. There's no question asked. Go and attack. It's like a machine. So here, those tam ane kshipram sarva vanaran prithvivyam sarva, whoever be there, wherever be there in this whole of the earth, all of them. How do you bring them? Sama, Dan, Adivi. Speak to them. And if they are not ready to come, Dana. Give them some money or gift or something. Okay, if you come here, we have a contract. If you complete this task, this is the amount that is agreed amount. Kalpitaihi vanaraihi vegavattaraihi kalpaihi vanaraihi. All those vanaras which are of different varieties, bring all of them who are all extremely swift in their activities. So bring them, and that is a task for you. All right, Hanumanji. See, there is Sama, Dana, Veda, Danda. These are the four methods by which a king should complete a task with anyone. So Sama is negotiation. First is talk about, okay, we have a difference of opinion here or difference of idea. So let us come to an agreement. That's what is the GS summit, G6 summit, G21 summit. Submit. So that is summit. Okay, now negotiations are now off the table. It's not working. Okay, what do you want? How much do you want? Let us talk about that. Okay, what you give, what I will give. What sanctions you remove, and accordingly, I will also supply my goods in a lower price. Oil prices will be less. In turn, you have to do all that. Dana. No? You know who are my allies? Russia and China. What will you do now? So this started, then next one is Veda. I have Russia with me. The other case, I have China with me. But I have Russia and France also. What will you do? I have China and Australia. So they go on saying, whose power is great? No, let us do the Ved. And then say, okay, you have so many allies. Okay, wait. Let us not, because it will become a major issue now. If we start making differences, the major issues come. Even then, they don't. Let's meet at the war. Show your strength and I will show my strength. That's a last resort. Danda. So here, Sugriva had said, talk to them. If they don't agree, give them what they want. Okay? Make sure that all of them come. Okay. Now continuing here, said, Preshita pratamam yecha.
Preshita pradhamam yecha.
Maya jnata mahajavaha.
Maya jnata mahajavaha.
Tvaranartham tu bhuyastvam.
Tvaranartham tu bhuyastvam.
Tam preshaya harishwaran.
Tam preshaya harishwaran.
Ye prasaktascha kameshu.
Ye prasaktascha kameshu.
Dirghasutrascha vanaraha.
Dirghasutrascha vanaraha.
Vihanayasva tan shigram.
Ihana yasvatam shigram.
Sarvaneva kapishwaran.
Sarvaneva kapishwaran.
Ahobirdashabirye cha.
Ahobirdashabhirye cha.
Nagachanti mama ajnaya.
Nagachanti mama ajnaya.
Antavyaste duratmanaha.
Antavyaste duratmanaha.
Rajashasana dushakaha.
Rajashasana dushakaha.
Tatanyada sahasrani.
Shatanyata sahasrani.
Kotyascha mama shasanat.
Kotyascha mama shasanat.
Prayantu kapi simhanam.
Prayantu kapi simhanam.
Nideshe mama yestitaha.
Nideshe mama ye stitaha.
Meka parvata sankashaha.
Megha parvata sankashaha.
Chadayanta ivambaram.
Chadayanta ivambaram.
Gora rupa kapi sreshtaha.
Ghora rupa kapi shreshtaha.
Yantu machasanadi machana adita. Yantu machasanaditaha.
Yantu machasanaditaha.
Te gatignaha gatim gatva.
Te gatignaha gatim gatva.
Prithvyam sarva vanaraha.
Prithivyam sarva vanaraha.
Anayantu harin sarvan.
Anayantu harin sarvan.
Tvarita shasanan mama.
Tvarita shasanan mama.
May pratamam, to begin with, earlier itself, ye mahajavaha jnataha preshitaha maya. I know who are all the very prominent monkeys, which I have already known, are already sent by me. They are already gone to inform. Not that time, this is the first time I'm doing it. I've already done that. Tvarayartham bhuyaha tvam sampreshaya. To make it speeder, make it more fast, you also proceed with people whom you know to convince them to come. Because I sent one set of messengers already. See, this is the method of management. No? See, any time when we give a task to somebody, and then we sit quietly. मैंने दिया है उसको, वो करेगा. And some people come and say, Swamiji, I so told him also. I asked him next question, did you coordinate? What do you mean by that? Did you ask them again whether they have completed the task or not? he didn't do that. Then why are you here? Any task you give must be followed up. This following up they won't do. मैंने दिया बस, मेरा काम हो गया. जो तुम्हारा काम का नहीं है, खत्म नहीं हुआ. You have to go and make sure that whom you are given the task is completing. You don't need to go and look at the task, but you have to ask that person, hey, did you finish that? You do not just merely give and then forget about it. So here, see, I have already sent. Your job is what? Coordinate with that. Send more people to make sure that those people are doing this. You know, some of them whom I know, those who I have already sent, monkey man hai, monkey hai. So, ye prasaktaha kameshu. Some of them are maybe still attached to their own individual pleasures. Then, dirgha sutraha. This is the usual problem with all these sevaks and volunteers. Dirgha sutra. Dirgha sutra means long rope. You know what long rope means? So you give a job, give a particular task, finished. Ho jayega. That's what it's called. Dirgha sutra. Ho jayega. Kab? Why are you worried? Why are you so concerned? Next day you ask, did you complete? I told you, yeah, it will be taken care. Till the last 11th hour, you will just say the same thing. At the time when you want this, what happened? That I told that person, but I don't know. The procrastination. Gurudev is procrastination. Dirgha Sutra. Laziness. Never take anything seriously. So, Dirgha Sutraha, Vanaraha, if they are Dirgha Sutris, of those people whom I have sent, they are not doing their job. They are procrastinating because of their preoccupation with something else. What else? Then what do? Bring them here. Grab them and bring them here. Shigra. Sarvan Kapishwaran Iha an. Bring them here. Now you see, Samadana. He removes the Veda part of it. What else? Danda only. Ahobihi. Dashabihi. Yecha na agachanti. I'll give you only 10 days. In these 10 days, if they don't come, Mama Ajnaya na agachanti, after my command, they don't come, Hantavyahate. Kill them. They are not worth anymore as my own servants. Kill them. Duratman. Rajasasana Dushakaha. Those who are not following the command, those who are not obeying the orders that are given by king and the Dirgha Sutris, and they are in front of Lakshmana only is saying that, so he will be convinced what, and he's not just leaving it on the ground, leaving it aside, leaving it lying down there. And Shatani Sahasrani Kodyahascha Mama Shasanat Prayantu. Bring them, all of them who are in crores and hundreds and thousands. Kapisimhana. Mama Nideshe Yestitaha. They are waiting for my command. Those who are there in hundreds and crores, let them all come. Mega Parvata Sankashaha. These are all those who are so huge, they are equal to Mega Parvata, a cloud, the mountain of cloud. And as though they are covering the entire space, Chadayantaha iva ambaram. When they move about, they come as a big crowd, they completely cover the entire space. Gora Rupaha, Kabishrishtaha, terrible looking. Sometimes you don't need to fight, you just look at the person itself, I don't want to fight with this. He's so Gora Rupa, terrible looking. Yantu, Matchasanadita. Let them be moving about. They should be brought here, and they are to be under my command. They let them go about and get all others also. Ye gatignaha, those who know the final goal that is to be accomplished. Gati gatva, gatim gatva, going in that direction. Prithvivyam sarvavanara, all those monkeys all over the place on the earth. Anayantu harin sarvan. See, Hanumanji, you send all those best of the battalion you have, only to bring the rest of them all, round them up and bring them here. Because he has to give final instruction where they have to go. No? So all of them have to be brought here. Tvaritaha shasanan mama. Quickly, according to my command, send your own leaders who are there, and I have already sent them, some of them. And if they have not accomplished the task, kill them in 10 days. They don't come. And rest of them, let them proceed and get all the rest of them, round them up and come back. This is called encounter. If they just are sitting there doing nothing, take your gun and shoot them. There's no point in they surviving there. So, continuing here, Tasya vanararajasya
Tasya vanararajasya
Shrutva vayusuto vachaha
Shrutva vayusuto vachaha
Dikshu sarvasu vikrantan
Dikshu sarvasu vikrantan
Preshayamasa vanaran
Preshayamasa vanaran
Te padam Vishnu vikrantam
Te padam Vishnu vikrantam
Padatrijyoti Chodira advagaha
Patatrijyotiradvagaha
Prayata prahita rajnya
Prayata prahita rajna
Harayastu kshanena vai
Parayastu kshanena vai
Te samudreshu girishu
Te samudreshu girishu
Vaneshu cha sarassu cha
Vaneshu cha sarasu cha
Vanaran sarvan
Vanara vanaran sarvan
Ramaheto rachotayan
Ramaheto raya chodayan
Ramaheto achotayan Mrityukalopasam Mrityukalopasam No Mrityukalopamasyagyam
Mrityukalopamasyagnyam
Rajarajasya vanaraha
Rajarajasya vanaraha
Sugrivasyayuhu shrutva
Sugrivasyayahu shrutva
Sugrivam Sugriva Bhayashankitaha
Sugriva bhayashankitaha
Tadasten Janasankashaha
Tataspenjana sankashaha
Gires Tasman Mahabalaha
Gires tasman mahabalaha
Tisrakotya Plavanganam
Tisrakotya plavanganam
Niryayuhu Yatra Ragavaha
Nirayuryatra raghavaha
Tasya Vanararajasya Vachaha Shrutva, listening to that, the king of the monkeys, Vayusutaha, Hanuman, Sarvasu Dikshu, Vanaran Vikrantan Preshayamasa. To all directions he sent best of the monkeys, leaders, Vanaran Vikrantan Preshayamasa. And how did they go? Te Vishnu Vikrantam Padam. Vishnu Vikrantam Padam. When Vishnu became a huge form during the time when he was dealing with the Bali, where he had measured the entire earth in 1 foot, and second, he enveloped the entire heaven. Vishnu Vikrantam Padam Padatrijyodihi anvagaha. Advagaha. Advagaha, like birds which are flying on the sky, completely covering as though the heavens. So with one foot he has covered entire earth, other foot he covered the entire heaven, meaning in this way he covered the entire space. In the same way, all these monkeys started to proceed in such a speed as though covering all this very sky with one single pada. Pada, Trijyoti means Trijyoti 7. Trijyoti advaga, like the birds. Prayataha prahita rajnya, rajnya prahita, commanded by the king, Prayataha. Shanena ve harayaha. Arayaha, all these monkeys, Shanena, in quick, swiftly. Te samudreshu girishu vaneshu cha sarassu cha. Those vanaran sarvan ramahetuhu achodayan. Chodanam is to push, to instigate them, to push them to arrive for the sake of Rama's task. Ramahetoho achodayan vanaran sarvan. These vanaraha going all over the place. Samudreshu, girishu, vaneshu, sarasu. On the various, and the oceans and hills and forests and all the water bodies or streams everywhere, wherever they are. And Rajarajasya Vanaraha Mrityukala Upamasya Agnyam Mrityukala Upamasya Agnyam Rajarajasya. The command that was given by Sugriva is considered to be by them as command by the death. Mrityukala Upamasya Agnyam. At the time of death, how it is so important to finish everything. Sugrivasya ayayuhu. Sugrivasya ayayuhu. Shrutva Sugriva Bhaya Shankitaha. They are also aware of the power of Sugriva. They are afraid of that very command, which is what he said. In 10 days, they don't come, kill them there itself. So therefore, they are extremely afraid of that very command. They immediately proceeded to come. And therefore, here Tadahaste Anjana Sankashaha, they are equal to that of the dark collyrium color. Girehe Tasman Maha Abalaha. Tisrakote Plavanganam, Nirjahu Yatra Raghava. All of them proceeded on, those who are sitting in the mountains also. Tasman, how many of them? Tisrakoteya Plangana. Tisrakoteya, 3 crores of them. And it is interesting, you know, how many monkeys are there? Think about it. 3 crores. This is only the commanders. 3 crores. They proceeded. Where the Lord Rama is already staying. Raghavaha, Yatra Raghavaha, Tisrakoteya Plavangana. So, it is interesting that suddenly Rama will find, without he expecting, say, I want only Lakshmana. Now, what am I getting in return? Crores and crores of them assembling there. So, that is the command of the king. All the monkeys living in any part of the world, they are all assembled. So, that is the greatest battalion that you can see. And of course, Ravana has a powerful, mighty warriors. But these monkeys, unruly monkeys can destroy anything without even being told. So that is the power of the army of Sugriva. Who will chant Mudit? Aganita.
अगणित गुण गण भूषण रामा, आश्रित वत्सल जय जय रामा, अयोध्यावासी सीता रामा, आपद बांधव जय जय रामा, दशरथ नंदन श्री रामा, दशमुख मर्दन जय जय रामा, कौसल्या सुखवर्धन रामा, कामित फलदा जय जय रामा, पाप विमोचन श्री रामा, पटाभिरामा जय जय रामा, जानकी जीवन सीता रामा, जय रघुरामा जय सिया रामा, वानर सेवित श्री रामा, वारिधि वंदन जय जय रामा, हनुमत पूजित सीता रामा, श्री राम जय जय रामा, रघुपति राघव राजा रामा, पतित पावन सीतन रामा, श्री राम जय जय रामा, श्री राम जय जय रामा, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय,
सद्गुरुनाथ
महाराज की जय।